Say hello, Paisley. Alright, so Paisley's gonna eat grown-up food for the first time. Ew, mommy just tasted it.
What do you think?
See, I've had
you're
better.
Chewing. You're kind of chewing. Yeah, look.
Ooh, grown-up food. What do you think?
No?
Gotta do the airplane.
I'm not sure you're getting this yet.
Yeah. It's food, Paisley, duh.
Oh, yeah?
She's trying to trick you. That's good,
That's
huh?
your lip. Lip. Lip.
I think mommy's the funny one in the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hold that thing. Let me get some more of this crap, mommy. So what are we feeding?
Good girl.
What are we feeding her right now?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal, okay.
Ooh, numbers. Try again? Yeah, just like
Oh,
that.
got the hang of it.
Look at her little lip.
Can't quite see her well enough. There we go.
There we go. Yeah.
Good girl.
girl.
Somehow I knew that you would take to eating pretty well, Paisley.
Yeah. Hey, look. You can help. Good girl.
That's awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Here's a eating fool, aren't you,
You are
Paige?
an eating fool. There's another one. Nope.
Still chewing. 1
We
second.
got it all everywhere.
Ugh, I'm not looking forward to the messes. Good girl.
Good girl, yeah.
That was yummy.
Sorry, we don't mean to laugh at you, Paige.
You're too funny, Paige.
Got oatmeal all over your face. Yeah. Good girl. Yay! Where's a round of applause? Yay! A little more in here for you. Yeah.
I'm sorry, Paige.
It's like, yeah.
Give me some more, mommy.
Very cute. Very
Look at
cute.
her eyes.
I know.
She's all about it.
My goodness.
Oh my God.
You are a
We've
pro.
created a monster.
You are a pro. I like this. You know what this means? Eventually you're not going to be breastfeeding anymore. That's what makes me happy.
Hey-oh.
Oh, you look like such a little gremlin when you open your mouth like that. A little too much. A little too much. Oh, we're getting there. You can hold it. Good girl.
Sorry. You are too funny, Paisley.
Yeah, you can
Alright.
put your fingers in your mouth. Okay.
Goodbye,
Some
everybody.
pictures.
Yeah, we'll have to take a couple pictures, too.